Knowledge seekers here. How are you? Hi.
What kind of mask you wearing?
Sorry to wake you up, guys. I hope you had a little rest.
You are supposed to test it, not to eat it.
Come on, Mr. Kajir.
Okay.
Hi, Coco. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Jess. Thank you for support.
I can't hear a thing in there.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly.
Okay. Good morning. Where are you now and what is the situation?
Yes, now we are in the, I'm in the Fukushima, Sudagawa city, the company called J. And I'm in the laboratory of the J-Lab. They have a very professional measurement system of the radioactive. So I will show you around. Can you see my video?
We can see your beautiful face, that's all.
Okay. Okay. So now here is the laboratory. This is the half open space. So here is a parking kind of garage laboratory, like us.
The college.
Parking, yeah, garage.
Yeah, college,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. And then let me introduce Mr. Kobayashi from the J-Lab.
Who? Please, can you repeat the name?
Yes, Mr. Kobayashi from the
Kobayashi.
J-Lab company.
Yeah.
Okay, here is the measurement room. 小林さんご紹介させていただいてもいいですか？ちょっと映像は出ないんですけども。
Good morning.
So, おはようございます。Good morning.
Good morning. We wait and see what you advise us and we go through it. Tell us what you want us to do and how you start the process, please.
Okay. So, he already measured several samples. So, I will show you from now. Okay, back to the laboratory.
People can see it.
Okay.
It's getting recorded too.
Can you see?
Okay, then you can load it up on YouTube. What are we testing to first? The water today?
Okay, there is a 3 different sample today. This is the sample B. A sample is divided to 3 different containers. This is sample B. It's this is a dry salt diluted with the water. 300g 840を21リットル。Okay. 540 gram
Yeah.
of soil.
Can you tell me who supplied this material? Where the material is coming from that we know is a really contaminated material, please?
Yes, it's a really contaminated material extracted from the rice field from this city, Sudagawa city.
Has the radiation been measured on it?
Yes, it's the first one, the sample A.
Yeah.
Can you see the document?
Yes.
No. Yeah?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
It's got the seeds. Can you just lift it a little bit up? You got 131, 137.
System 134.
How did K40 get in there?
K40 って一番最後のは、放射性カリウム、ポタシウム、yes.
Yeah, I know, but how? Oh God. Okay, now this confirms. Where did they get this material from?
これはどちらで採掘されたものでしょうか？はい、水田ですね。It's from the rice field.
Yeah, how near to the power station?
福島の原子炉からはどれぐらいの距離なんでしょうか？
Give me
It's
over.
65 kilometer
Yeah.
away
Okay,
from the
okay.
nuclear plant.
Just stay online. Can you go on Google for me, please? Stay online. There is something I just want to have a look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will send you this PDF as soon as possible. This is the sample A.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a total.
potassium 40. Just stay there 1 second. I've got something I want to check. Can you go on plutonium? Go on plutonium decay. Potassium. No, plutonium decay. Plutonium decay. Just stay there. Just 1 second. No, just plutonium decay and then go potassium. In there, just there, just there. Just follow it, potassium. Okay, wait.
の測定値は今、セシウム合計5.36と出ているのは、これは水だけの部分だからです。
Open this one, please. Yeah.
これが、もともとのはこれです。はい。
Just stay there, just stay there. Just show you. I want to see the potassium on it. There it is.
494ですね。とても普通の状態。
赤字も入る。
はい、そうです。ここはもう原発実験。
This confirms the plutonium reactor one. This is what I suspected. Okay, go. Now I understand. It's okay. Go ahead. Just go. Wait 1 second. Just go back to where we were before. Go back a page.
ああ、肥料ね。肥料にも含まれてますよね。カリウムは入れます。
はい、そうですよね。それからと思っている。
それとあと、まあ、自然界にもあるって言いますよね。何もしなくても。
この値は放射、事故前から変わっていない。
変わってないです。
あ、わかりました。
そのぐらいはありますね。
Okay, he just explained about this potassium.
Yeah.
Potassium is originally they could measure even before the earthquake, before that the Fukushima happened, because it's contained to the fertilizer. So
No, not so. No, it's okay. No,
yeah, okay.
From what I see from season 137, 134,
Okay. So this
is it the same amount of potassium before?
before the earthquake, you
Yeah.
mean? これと同じぐらいの量のカリウムは測定されてたということですか？前はでもこの機械がないですよね。
前はね、もう測るっていうことがなかったんで。
They have no idea because they couldn't have this measurement system before, Fukushima happened. So
Yeah, but
they cannot.
what was, you see, K40 potassium with I-131 with
Yeah.
the cesium 137 is indication of plutonium.
Okay.
So there is a coloration between it, and it comes from a different second decay.
Okay, I understand. Okay. So this is actually a water
Yeah.
sample.
Where has the water sample come from?
This is the water sample come from. We removed the soil.
Yeah.
Actually, this morning.
Yeah.
Actually, originally the sample was diluted with the water like this. So,
Yeah.
so all those soils
Yeah.
sinked under the containers, and then we took only the water.
The way I asked you to. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, like you asked me.
And
to
is
do.
that the reading from that?
Yes. This is the radiation, but this is very small amount. Total cesium is only 5.36 at this moment. But originally, this with soil has. Okay, sorry. This one. This is the sample. Can you see?
Yeah.
Originally it has a 1,187
And
becquerel.
how much is the other one? Can I look at the other list next to it, please? The water.
5.36. So it's mostly 95%, 95% are still attracted to the soil.
So 95% still is in the soil.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we cannot get rid of
there is a way to do it. I'll tell you later on. Let's see if you're correct.
Okay. This one is the soil and the water.
Yeah.
1,187.
Yeah.
And this is only water, 5.36.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a measure today, this morning.
Can you go to cesium-137? What's the
Cesium
reading difference between the two? I can't see it here.
The original cesium-137 is almost zero. No, sorry, 851.
Where do you see it?
This one. Yeah, 851.
And how much is it now?
Now is only 3.61. 3.61.
Okay, and cesium-134
is 335.
It's 134.
Yes. Then now is 1.74. Yes.
Okay. What are you going to do now? Do you have any contaminated water on its own?
So we can move this water back to the soil and probably mix, because this the soil is very grained, almost like a powder.
Yeah.
So and then we can get the same amount of the hopefully back to this number 1,187.
Okay, try it, because the amount of cesium you have in there is very, very little.
Okay.
Very, very little.
Okay.
And it's very, what do you call it? It's a muddy, you gotta let it settle.
Yeah. So, what should I
put it back in? Yeah, put it back in and you see. Just mix it in. Do you have any soap? Liquid soap?
石鹸あります。はい。washing for the hand wash.
Yeah, hand wash, liquid soap. You can add a little bit of liquid soap to detach some of the materials. Sometimes it works.
わかりました。
Just,
Okay.
just a couple of drops.
Okay. なんか石鹸水をちょっとだけ出すとですね、セシウムが土から少し離れるかもしれないっていうふうに言ってるんですけど、なんか
洗濯洗剤食器洗剤じゃダメでしょ。
For the dishwashing liquid, does it work?
Washing the way you wash dishes with, just a little bit, just a few drops. This proves, when you see the combination, what you suspected from the beginning. There is a plutonium in reactor 1, and that's why they passed all the secrecy acts. Yeah, that's good. Just 1 or 2 drops. When you see plutonium, cesium that way, and you confirm 100% there's a plutonium in the reactor 1. No, it's okay. I'm very open. This is what I've told atomic energy authorities. Just mix everything with it now. Mix the sand and the water together very well. Sometimes it works because it brings it off. Yeah. You're making a very nice cake.
It's like a chocolate brownie or something.
Yeah, it is chocolate brownie.
Okay.
Everywhere. Try to get it out, because you don't have enough in that material in your water. Round and round it goes. The soil is in the soil. We're trying to separate it. Trying to separate the soil. it's a very little amount, but it does.
Mm-hmm.
One of the best thing is to, if they do a test like this, try to take with you an orange or something. The oil of the orange is the best removal of radioactive material from soil.
ああ、OK。オレンジのオイルがすごく素食物質の、まあ、洗浄
ええ
役立つっていうので、もしオレンジオイルの洗浄
Hmm?
This is actually contain the citrusy.
Yeah,
Citrus.
so it should
Yes,
be good. Yeah.
Kind of perfect.
Good smelling radioactive material.
Yes,
Peach and citrus.
I hope it works. So he probably better to measure. It's better to be measured again.
No, let
right?
it settle. Yeah, measure it now.
Measuring now.
Measure it now, see if the radiation level is as before. Let it settle, then drain the water.
Okay. And we also have the other two samples. Do we need to do the same?
No.
For the others?
Yes, no.
No?
Is it the
Which
same
one?
from the same area, the same soil?
他の場所のサンプルも
ええ、この地区的には一緒ですけど、水域が違う。
area is the same, but the field
The
is
radiation the same or not?
radiation is slightly different, but it also has a 1116 becquerel for the sample B, and the sample C is 1194 becquerel.
It's about the same.
Yeah, almost the same.
Same.
The
I
overall
can't hear
image-
you, Coco. You're too far from the microphone.
Okay, sorry. So we have three different sample, and this is the second sample. This is B. Yeah, which has 1,116.99 becquerel in total. Cesium-137 is 802 becquerel. This is from the same area, but a different field.
Yeah, okay. The other one?
The other one is this one is total is 1,194 becquerel, and cesium-137 is 856.
No problem. It's okay. No problem.
Okay.
That's perfect.
So
Let's do one thing. We'll see where we go. Can you drain it now? Drain the water. Stir it and drain it straight away.
Okay.
Don't let the soil to settle, the water to settle in the soil. Yeah. Stir it and then just give it a second and then take the water out.
こっちですね。でも今これで、
全部じゃあ、入れちゃいます。
Don't let it settle all the way down. It takes the radioactive material down. Empty it now. Now, yeah. Drain it now, please.
あ、ええ
土ごとちょっと
こういうふうになっちゃう。
but still has a lot of
It's
mud.
okay, it's okay. Not the soil, just the water. That's enough. Leave it. Leave the rest. Leave the rest. That's enough. Leave the rest. Oh, we're back in square one again. Okay. Can you measure the radioactivity in that container now?
Yes.
Yeah, measure that, please.
そうですね。
えわかりまし
Okay, we can go to the middle.
Oh boy, you don't do these kind of things. They had a measurement of this one.
Yeah.
Just want to know whether this is not to do with the experiment. What is doing there? I just want to know with a normal wash how much radioactivity they release. They can wash. If the percentage is higher than before, then it shows the separation. The soap does its job. These guys are not amateurs. This has been supplied well. These are not normal systems in the hand of public. You understand? These radiation detectors are official systems. These guys are well trained. You see the container which is coming? These we use in nuclear power stations. This is not a normal system. These guys have connection to the government. They've been given the material, these kind of systems. Zero 918-127. This is an inventory list. It's nearly 1 million pieces. You understand? So the guy is doing it on behalf of government. Okay, we are listening.
Okay, it takes 15 minutes to get
No
the
problem,
result.
I know. I thought
Yeah?
so. Yeah, we wait, no
Okay.
problem. We have a cup
Okay.
of tea.
Okay, please
Okay.
enjoy.
Thank you.
If you are interested, here is the rice sample. We usually measure. Arigatou gozaimasu. No. お茶を飲んで待ってると言ってます。
そうっす。
なんか夜中のうちだ。コーヒーでもどうぞ。
じゃあ、博士の他にもスタッフの方。
はい、研究員が8人おりまして、ほぼ全員待機してるですね。はい、なかなか実際の放射性物質で実験するということができないのでですね、本当にありがたいです。もし可能でしたらこれに PDF をお願いいたします。
ここ飛ばしましょうか、メールで。
あ、いいですか？はい、そうしていただけるとすぐ。
じゃあ、
ありがとうございます。私のメール後です。
あ、そうですか。
はい。ここにあ、そうです。
アドレスって何でしたっけ？
E メールアドレス。
ああ、ちょっとね、ここじゃないところで作
ああ、そう
って
なんですね。
たんで、
はい、じゃあ、こう。そうはい。低い位置ですいません。うかこうかこ。
This is made by one of our supporters. So she delivered it. You gotta eat it because
Very good. What's that?
they wash it and they take his, they let the soil to settle. Most of the radioactive ion is settled in the soil. That's why the level is so You Coco. You Coco. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. How's the sushi?
So, sushi is
It's
okay.
good.
I will eat the round table one. Very big. Okay. Mr. Kobayashi going to send you this document in PDF
No
shortly.
problem.
So,
That's perfect. Now we know you're doing it. They're sitting in the back. You Coco. Hello.
hello.
Yeah. Have you got any water on its own? Contaminated water?
Yes, for tomorrow, for
For
sure.
tomorrow. Okay.
We have almost whole tank of the pure, I mean, not the pure, but
But
only
purely contaminated.
purely contaminated water. Exactly. Yes. For
Go and
tomorrow.
have a swim, huh?
Okay. So, but today we have only.
Yeah, yeah.
But,
Try to
we'll
Yukoko.
yeah. Right. Yeah.
Stay away from the material. Let him do
Uh,
whatever, okay?
yeah.
Your safety comes first. Let him handle everything.
Thank you. So I move it to
Then she goes and picks it up.
fearless knowledge seekers there.
Hello.
Hello. Who
We're
are
having
you?
breakfast here.
Oh, okay. Very early breakfast. Sorry. Very early. So you had the interview also?
I finished with it. When you called me the first time, I was halfway through it.
Oh,
It's finished. It's okay. It's
the busiest night.
time filling program, but this is the second time we done an interview with him.
Uh-huh.
You have 42 people watching you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Great.
you're on the live.
So is it online? Is it in live streaming now?
Yeah, it is.
Ah,
You can run a
sorry.
sushi class while we are waiting.
Okay. That's great. And it's also recorded, right?
Yeah.
It's all video is
You
recorded.
look
Ah, great,
beautiful. Don't
wonderful.
worry, do your
I'm
hair
also
right.
video.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
We just gotta wait and see what he reports. If the two figures are the same, oh, she's going. Two figures are the same, so we'll see the level of extraction. We know Japanese scientists have been trying to increase the absorption of extraction. He hasn't succeeded. This is how you're gonna see your reactors. People come and have a look. Nothing normally is there, and then 10 o'clock something comes. Oh, look.
still ongoing, but 700 to 800 becquerel is going to be
How much?
in the sample. Hello?
Yeah, can you repeat?
Hello?
Yes, 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 yes. Wait. What's the reading this time?
I think 800 to 700, it's coming. The final result is coming, but it's around 700
And
to
how much
800.
was the last time? The water on the soil?
Last time, the first one was
Yeah.
the 1,187.
No, the water which you measured on its own. Before.
Water
Yeah.
was only 5.36.
So now it's gone to 800.
Yes, 800.
Yeah, okay. What happens by the time he takes it out, the soil will be separated. Just take the water from the top and then measure the water, and then we start doing the testing.
Again, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Because now you're still carrying part of the soil in there, so the contamination is measured with the soil as well as the water.
But it takes a little while
To settle.
until...
Yeah, it's settled by now in 15 minutes.
And this is, by the
You know,
way...
Yukoko,
Yes.
when he finished measuring, the container he has there, split it in two halves.
Okay.
And then let it settle, keep one half, and where the other one which settles, we just take the water without the soil. Okay?
Water
And then we start working on it.
Okay. So container 1
Split it
is
into half.
muddy water,
Yeah.
and container 2 is
Just
as
the water.
clean as possible.
Yeah. Just the
Without-
water. We want to measure the water.
Okay.
Because we are not destroying the radioactive, we are extracting it. We got to see how much is in there that when we see if it jellifies or we see anything like a gel in it.
Okay.
Can you go? Okay, now we see what this brought us. What's the final result?
Final result.
You see that much sediment somewhere here. I think, this is the water, that's the soil. We need to stir it, take half of it, and just take the water. Or we know the measurement, we can just take the water and measure the soil separately. Because then we know.
So here is a result.
It's 786.
Yes, in total, the cesium 137 is 559.13.
Can I see,
Previously,
can we see the
it
soil
was previous.
only, the beginning, before?
The first one is only for the water. It's a 5 point. Can you see? Oh, okay. 5.36, and after 2 drops of the washing liquid and mix with the soil, and we could get 786.
Okay, can you take the container now behind you? Yeah, and you see there is a sediment. Just take the water. Don't let any sediment to come in. Just take the water, please. Yeah. Very as much as you can, not all of it, just the water. Just take the water, leave the sediment behind. No. In the round bottle, we want to measure how much radiation is in the water now.
Okay.
Yeah.
こっちでもう一回こっちでね。なので、こちらの容器。
Yeah. It's okay. Oh, he's gonna wash it.
He's going to wash the.
Yeah. I understand.
Ready for the second.
We do. He's a new graduate. He's an engineer. He knows what he's doing. We become very careful. It's one of the biggest problems. Scientists, biologists do radiation. If you go into chemistry labs, they do biochemistry. You see them, they just put the radiation centrifuge and they carry on. So much you just spend the biggest just the water. He knows he's dealing with cesium and he's just wearing one glove. So he's not a normal engineer, somebody who's continuously in touch with this. Oh, they've been radiated so much they don't care anymore. It's abnormal the way he's working. He has the data in his hand, he knows he's carrying cesium and he's very careless. You see it inside? The behavior is not normal.
It's everywhere, maybe.
Huh?
It's contaminating all the areas.
No, you see.
So now.
Just the water, just the top water, please. Don't let any soil go out.
It's difficult, but it's
Just be
much?
careful, all of it, as much as water without any soil. Yeah, it's okay. No. Don't put any soil to go in, please. I think that's enough. You see the containers is carrying. It's a radioactive material measurement. It's got a hole in the center. So the materials is right in the center of the detector. Okay, can you measure
sorry.
this now?
Require a little bit more to be covered the bottom of the container.
Okay, do a little bit more, no problem.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. The radiation detector on top, yeah.
It has been mixed again.
It's okay. We don't want. What the problem is now I see is how we're going to extract gel out of this mud. This is the problem. Because we are not destroying the radioactive material, we're just separating it, but how are we going to separate it out?
Hi.
Huh? So we should have filtered it beforehand. But you can't filter it.
Okay, he says probably enough at this moment. So it goes back to the measurement.
Yeah, go back to the
No.
machine.
So this is almost very concentrated mud water. Should we? So this is going to be one of the sample.
Yeah.
It's
we know
okay.
that. So doesn't matter how much water you add to this now, it stays, radiation will stay the same.
So,
If
Mr.
we get
Kesha,
300, it's
I diluted this.
okay.
It's
Shake it
cup.
very well before you mix it
Yeah.
in.
Yeah. Okay.
Shake when you do it, use a quarter of it.
Okay, quarter.
Yeah, we'll see a quarter of it, and then we'll see, and then we can always use more and more of it. How many containers of that have you made, you Coco?
How many containers?
Of the blue one. Do you have more for tomorrow?
Of the blue one, I made the one big one. I will show you.
It's a beautiful color.
Basically, I divided to 3. Like this.
That's perfect. Okay, that's good. You got enough. Yeah. It shows you're a mother. You got a baby oil bottle.
Oh, yes. It's most accessible container for me. Okay. So,
okay,
is there any... I have to tell you...
Coco, while he's doing this job, it's okay, leave that aside. While he's doing his job, where is one of those cylinders you made?
Cylinders, yeah.
With the wires in it.
This one. Is the mixed material?
No, use one, keep the mixed material for tomorrow. Use one of the one which is a single copper, and put the rest of this mud through it, or let it to sit in it. Oh, the tape is very good, huh? She can't open it. She's battling with it. Okay. What we want to do, Ikoko, is put. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna measure it. Have you got a bottle? You can put this in as a bottle, then halfway.
This one?
Yeah, that's good. Put it that way in. No, the other way. You Coco, the other way. Yeah, we need it deeper to cover all the material. Okay, let him finish that measurement. Yeah, we measure. No.
Yeah. We try to find out.
This will show us if anything gets stuck to the material.
We found out this bucket.
Yeah, that's good. Perfect. But clean it. There is more of that rubbish at the bottom. This is what do you call it?
Do we need the lid?
When they bring the water out of centrifuge.
Do we need the lid?
Yeah. Just enough. Leave it there. That's all.
Okay.
It's okay. We're gonna split the water in 4 parts. We do 1 part with the copper oxide, 1 part with the second piece of these wires.
Mr. Kesha,
Yeah.
I have to tell you the sad news. One of the GANS, this is iron.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is safe, but the other one is leaked a little
No
bit.
problem. No
Yeah,
problem.
so just a little, this amount is left.
We need this for tomorrow. Don't use it today.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yes. What I want to do, Yukoko,
Yeah.
is when it comes out with the measurement,
Mhm.
we can do two things. You're gonna split the material in two halves or three halves, three parts. One part you put through one of the cylinders. One part you add CO2 to, and one part you put copper oxide in. And then we
CO2,
see,
not this one.
yeah, one part of it this
copper
one,
oxide.
one part this, one part CO2, and one part through the mesh.
Through the mesh. Mesh is the.
This is the cylinder behind you, the ones you made yourself.
This one.
Yeah. Use one with soil of the mesh and one with the water.
Okay.
We want to see which one is more effective to extract.
So now.
Just put the soil through this, please. Put it in and just pour the soil after you measure the radiation on it. Yeah, measure the radiation on this afterwards when the other one is finished, and then put it through the system. We got to measure everything precisely.
He hasn't got enough in there.
You can put water in it. Put some water in there. Put a little bit of more water in there. Yeah, and then measure the radioactive level in it. Add some water to it. You won't change the radiation level. Water will be much easier tomorrow. We can just put in and test and measure and go with this. But it's very nice to see if we've never done it, if this copper oxide with the soil will show any solidification.
Now we have this muddy water.
Yeah.
Let me call it muddy water. It's almost 700, 600 milliliters.
If you add some water to it and measure the radioactivity in it.
Okay, can we add how much? 1 to 1
the
liter?
way it covers this detector, yeah?
Okay.
So we want to know how much radiation is left in the soil. We want to know how much radiation is left in the soil and how much radiation is in the water which is gone. Yeah, okay, no problem. No problem. Just shake it before you put it in the machine to measure. Is the other measurement finished?
It's still undergoing.
Okay. When you take that out, put this in, and then we see the radiation level.
Okay.
You see how much we extracted. Japanese have been washing the soil for nearly a year, 2 years now. They haven't succeeded with much. Actually been on the farms with the vacuum. They put the water, adding to it water too. You want to see if that's citrus or washing of liquid, that's the better side. But how much washing of liquid are you going to put on the farm?
Impossible to do that. Or it has to be in the recycling system.
No, there's other way to do it. We're going to see when we get the cylinders back. We're going to see how much material is left on the cylinders. If there is nothing gone, we can actually call like farming machine the harvester plant and just put it in the sand and just extract, get it attached to it. This is new knowledge. We're going to see how it is spent.
It is interesting that when it comes to measurement,
I don't think they will allow her to come with this system, so it's too radioactive. We can't accept it either. that cylinder at the end of the machine, if we can take it, see if we can measure it, or they can give us a measurement, then we know if it's radioactivated or how much is absorbed. Most probably the only way we'll ever find out is how much is by the wires. Because we know our wires are not contaminated, they're pure. So the level of contamination.
Okay.
Paco,
Yes.
the camera is off.
Now it's off. Okay. Hello, Jorge.
Hi,
Hi.
we can see you now.
Anyone who's in Italy is here. Anyone who's in Italy is here. We lost her. We accept her?
It's automatic. Yes.
Are we recording?
It's trying to be reconnected. Not that we can make another call. We can make another call.
What about your stream live?
Oh, I think that goes there. Just because what's going on. Try again. Right? You can,
You will lose it there.
but there will be no difference. It's already done.
How do you mean disconnected? Do we have a radio?
Yes.
今のも出ましたでしょうか
Hello?
Hey there. Disconnection.
You're back.
Yes, I'm back. So the measurement is almost done.
That's a very good advertising for that brand of washing up liquid.
Yes. Okay. これ全部送っていただいたの確認します。ありがとうございます。入れて、コーヒー。で、おそらく、動画2種、もう一つ。
I posted one video
I can see the sound. It says I'm posted. Oh, that's Iran's.
For every reactor explaining.
I told you you can't have it.
これ中に触れても大丈夫なんですか？
なるべくこう表面がこれをこうやって表面が吸着するレイヤーができているので、それを壊さないためにステンレスは全く問題ないんですけど、今回銅線だけで持ってこようとしたんですけど、そうするとどうしても表面が傷ついてしまうので、やってきにくいので、こういう形で大丈夫。
Yukoko?
これがですね、
Yukoko?
Yes.
Open a second unit, the one you're holding now. You use one with the soil and one with water. Yeah, that's it. Oh, good. Okay. Is the water measured?
Yes.
Have you measured the water?
Yes, it's almost done. Almost done.
Almost
Now
done,
he's
okay.
going to get.
Split it in two half. Put one half in the clear box you're holding. That box here. And put the blue material in it. And if you got another box, you have another box of these, just put the water through it and let it sit. No, the other one. Where is your other clear box? You must have two of these clear boxes. Okay, put them next to each other. Yeah. You put one. Very good advertising for IKEA. Okay. Yes, no problem. No problem. I think these companies. No. Put that back in the bucket. When he brings the water, shake it. Put one half through the system you made on the right-hand side, and one half in another plastic container. Put the bucket away. Put the bucket away. No. That bucket. Put it away for a time being. Okay. When he brings the water, split it in two half. One half on the right side, one half on the left side.
Right side?
Yeah. Split the water in that container in two halves, please. It's like a moon mission. Getting out some words now. Use the screwdriver. You've done it for 6 months, you forgot which way to turn. Come on, mission, you take over. Okay, shake it well and just, yeah, okay, split it in two half. Push half of it through the center cylinder. What's the number?
441. 441.
414, okay. This is better than before. So the washing up liquid does its job. It came out from 5 to 400, which is much better. Okay, shake it, don't let it settle. Shake it, please. And then split. Pour half of it right through the system. Okay, pour half of it right through the system. And the other half in the other bucket. Yeah. Yeah, okay, pour half of it through the system very slowly, everywhere. Very, very slow. Very, very slow. Yeah, everywhere. Try to cover as much wires as you can. Carry on, carry on. Carry on. Go, 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 go. Carry on. Shake it a little bit more that you get more of. Yeah. Don't let it settle. Carry on. Carry on, carry on, carry on. More, 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 more. That's enough, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough. Now put the other one in the other half and just add you got too much sediment at the bottom. Okay, can you wash everything in there? Just a little bit of water with it.
This one.
Take yeah, wash everything out. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna do that later. No, no, she can't touch. She can't touch. She can't touch. Once it goes in, we gotta wait. Okay, Yukoko. Can you add water to this container, the one you have the thing? Add a bit more water. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Water is not contaminated because you gotta bring it up to the level. The minute she does that, she comes in touch with contamination. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's gonna go, but we have to say goodbye to the system first. Yeah, increase. Yeah, that's good enough because the water is no problem. Just saying, just put it in. Yeah. No, no, put it in the soil. Don't put it in the. Don't wash it. Yeah. There, put it in. Yeah. Put it in. Yep. Okay. That's enough. It's okay. Bit more. Put a bit more in. Put more water in because you gotta add it. Otherwise, your system will not measure it anyway. Just stir it with the container in your hand. You know where the wires are? Just use that to stir. The unit you have in the water, just use it. Yeah, just shake it in the water. Yeah. Okay. Now turn it on its side. Yeah. No, no, no. Put it in. No, no. Leave it inside, but put it on its side way.
Horizontally.
Put it horizontally. Put the thing flat. Put the cylinder flat.
Put the cylinder flat.
Yeah, yeah. That's it. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Don't touch anymore. Don't touch anymore because now you're contaminated. You contaminated the system. Yeah. Just don't touch anymore. Yeah, yeah. Put it in. Put that in the other box. It's good. Yeah, yeah. Put it in. Yeah, yeah. Put it in the box. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, wash it anywhere you like. Any of the two boxes. Okay.
But still have a...
Yeah, yeah, put it in the other box.
Better to wash.
Yeah, yeah, empty it. Empty it. Empty it in this box. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Yukoko. Use the pen which is next to you and roll that thing inside the soil. Your cylinder. Don't touch it with hand.
Okay.
Use the pen to roll the thingy. Yeah, just keep on rolling it in there. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe. Yeah, let her go with it. Let's go a little slowly. Yeah, well. Can you put a lid on it? Put a lid on the container and just don't shake it, but try to use the maximum that the thing inside can be. Yeah. Yeah. Do not touch any of these materials anymore, please, Yukoko.
Okay.
We can't see with jellyfish. This is the problem. That's enough. That whatever is going to happen is happened by now. Let him leave that in there till the other system comes out. Can you put the green stuff in the other box? Yukoko? No. The other one, the other half you had in your hand. No, yeah. Put the green stuff in the other box. You have a box. Where is the other box with this water in it? Yeah. Now put the soil in there. The CO2 in there. The green one.
Shake it before.
Shake it.
Green.
The green piece. Shake the green piece.
Yes.
Yeah. And now pour it in there. Pour all of it in. Do you see any gel configuration?
Kind of like oil.
Oil.
Like
It's become like oil.
on the surface. But just a little bit.
I can't hear you. Can you talk louder?
Okay. It looks like something floating on the surface like oil, but
Yeah.
it's not gel yet.
It's like an oil. Okay. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get. Shake it a little bit. With the spoon you had? You had a spoon before you were using for the thingy?
Okay.
It's okay. Do you still see the oil? Yeah, it's shining. No?
Yes.
Do you still see the oil layer?
Now it's less.
No, I can't hear you.
Now it's less. I cannot see the oil at this.
Okay.
Melt.
It's mixed.
Yes, well mixed.
Okay, this is soil. It's soil. Seeds, or whatever it looks like, seeds which have been in the ground. Can you add some water into this liquid, Yukoko? I don't think we're going to get any results with this muddy water.
How to separate it?
No, it's okay. We're going to see what it is there. Okay, put it in. Put it in. Put it in. All of it, no problem. Do you still see the layer of the oil? Can you speak louder? We can't hear you.
Yeah. It's less than before, but still have a kind of, how to say, wave on the surface, like oil, yeah. But now it's getting less and less. Yeah. Can you see this flow?
Yeah, we don't
Water.
see much. We don't
Yeah.
see.
Don't see it.
We see the shine of the plastic.
Ah.
If you bring it up, have a look at it in the light. You see the layer yourself. Take it outside in the light and have a look. You don't need. Just go and have a look. See if you see that layer. You don't need. Just do it on your own. See if you see the layer. This is very deceiving. Very deceiving. You see? This is like very fashionable.
Yeah, it's still like oil on the water. There is a stream, waves on the surface of the liquid, but it's not like a gel, or it's not like
It's like a layer of oil.
yeah, it's like a layer of oil, yeah.
Can you go to one of the other boxes are of the same area? On the table, on the other table, you have 3 boxes with soil in it. On the other table, on the other side, the box A, B, or C, which you had before, the other soil. Can you see there is any oil on the top of those boxes on the water on them?
This is totally muddy. It's a container A. Ah, yeah. It's very similar. Yeah.
Very similar. Okay,
It's not.
so
Yeah. Can you see?
it's very similar. Okay.
Yeah, on the surface.
So it's nothing from our side.
Yeah.
It's the oil in the land. From what has been
On the
done.
land, I think. Yeah.
Did you see that oil there?
Let me check the container B. The other container. This is container C. Yeah.
You
Yes.
see it. You see it.
Similar texture, like a little bit oily.
Yeah, it is to do with the land. It's become with the land. Okay, no problem. So we know it's nothing to do with us. What you can do now, get the unit out, get the piece you made out, or get him to get it out. You don't touch it. Yeah? And let him measure the radioactive in there. Yeah. Take the unit out. And let him measure the level of radioactivity inside there. Don't touch! No. You're gonna have everything all over the place.
Let him do it.
You Coco, let him do it. But just put that unit safe somewhere.
To another container.
Just put it on. Take it out. Take that unit out, you Coco. The mesh. Take your tissue. Don't touch it. Yeah, put it. I have no material there. Okay. Yeah, just keep it somewhere safe. Empty it and measure the radiation in that container, please. Yeah. The sum of the radiation in 2 containers should come to the beginning. What we had. you wash everything in it? Okay. Don't touch that box, Coco, please. Goodness sake. What's the reading in the soil container in the machine?
Yes, I'm going to.
This guy is so casual with handling, and he knows his reject.
He's used to it.
These are like kamikaze pilots. They don't care what they can do with something.
The mud one.
That's the soil.
790.
I can't hear you. We can't hear you.
790.
Pardon?
790.
790. Okay. Can you scan these documents and send it to us afterwards?
Yes, sure. He sent it to me as a PDF.
Yeah, but it's got to say which one is which.
Yeah,
Write on the paper, this is the contamination, what do you call it, the container.
I'm writing down the
write
notes.
this is the soil which is there. Can you put that up next to the one you had the water on its own?
Could you repeat it again?
This one and the one before, can you put them next to each other? No, the readings, the papers you have. You have one for the soil now, the last one is the soil, and the one before it is the water. Okay,
This is for the soil.
That's for the soil. And which one was for the water?
This is the water.
411,
The water.
790,
90.
44, 11, 12, 60. Okay. Jesus, it's the conversion. 279. Yukoko,
Yes.
can you give me, keep the water reading, the one in your hand for the water, not for the soil? No, the paperwork, the paper in your hand, the one which is for the water, yeah? Now, can you show me the other reading for the water, which was 5 something?
Okay, that's the beginning one.
The beginning one, the first one, yeah.
Measurement.
Okay.
This is the one.
Okay, now just move a little bit to the right. No, you don't put them on top of each other. Just I want to see something. 1.6, 167, 160, 174. Okay, no problem. It's mainly 137 you converted back into the wash. Now, add some water. We don't know how we're going to measure this, Yukoko. This is a problem. You don't see any gel with that? Put this away. We are finished with this one. The cylinder. This one in front of you. No, not that one. The other one. The round one. We finished with it. Here. Yeah, we finished with this one. We don't need this anymore. Just let it go. Yeah, we don't need this. Leave it.
This one doesn't have any oils.
No. This doesn't have any oil.
I mean, it's... Oh, no. Sorry. No.
It should have.
Yeah, the same.
It should have, yeah. Okay. This is oil in the land or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
So now, This one.
This is finished. We don't need it anymore. Now how are we going to get gel out of that? Can you... Do you see anything in that water? If you look at it, yeah. Don't go too close to it, but do you see anything at all?
Nothing. I can see the seeds, black seeds on the top, but
We
nothing.
can't hear you.
I cannot see any gel or any other changes so far. Only the seeds on the top. I'll try to show you.
Yeah,
I cannot see any changes so far. Should I mix it again or?
No. I don't. This is a problem with this water is mud in there. We don't see the changes. Just test it because the radiation level will be the same. There will be no difference. What you got to do, Yukoko, is let's get a reading from the other one, and
the other one is mean the cylinder.
which is the one which is in the machine now in the system.
Do you want me to show the other materials?
No, don't touch that. Add this when the reading is finished with the other one. If you have room, add this material on top of that and take a reading. Then we see if there's any absorption on the material. Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta allow partial contamination with the steel frame as well. If it's too much, then we know. Yukoko, the piece which you took out, the cylinder. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you have a look inside? I mean, just look from a distance. Don't put your nose in it. But do you see any changes with it? Do you see anything?
I can see slightly it became like a white
Material.
what to say? Yeah, white things, like a very thinly covered, to the wires.
Yeah.
So that's why the wire it was originally very black,
Yeah.
very dark black, but now it's became like almost like a gray. So
How much? How deep? Or is it just the top layers?
just the top layers I can see.
Not to the bottom.
Bottom, I could still have some black wires in the bottom of the containers.
Okay, keep
But
your
the
hands
top-
off it. Keep your hands, don't touch it so much. Let us have a look. That's enough. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. Let's see the radiation now. Why only the top? It's dry. Cocoa, which is another side. You see it. We see the change. It was totally black. we see the change there. Can you? There is somebody there because we see the change of light. Somebody's in the background. Okay, can you put a light into this, please? Coco, you're there? No, it's dark, it's dark, it's dark, it's dark, it's dark, it's dark. Yeah, okay, leave it there. Let me see. It has changed. It has changed. Huh? It can be, but if it's white. Coco, do you see any color of like brass there on the wires?
Brass, like yellow?
Yellow, yeah.
White? White, you mean the very silver?
Yeah.
No, not that much, but it's more like how can I say, red.
More like red. Okay,
yeah.
Move your camera. Don't move. Just move your camera. Let us look into the tube. It's very nice. Move your camera, please, away. Your mobile phone. Move your mobile phone, and let us have a look inside it. Oh, she used the light of it. You are near it. Has it gone? Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. Keep it there.
Camera closer.
Yeah. It's changed. It's nothing to do with this one. Because you see the brown sword. We'll see the back. You see.
Yeah, it's getting brown, like a very white, milky brown. Nice. On the south.
Okay, seal this and give it to be tested by TEPCO. Yeah,
okay.
Seal it now. Don't let it stay open. Put it in a container.
Okay.
And give it to TEPCO to be tested in a plastic bag, not in your box. This, they have to measure the amount of radiation which is on these wires. They should do it very easily by cutting them. If we see, if we do a measurement of the liquid which is in the other box, and we measure what's coming out and add the two together, whatever is the difference between the 400, which was the level, which is give us a different thing absorbed more or less by the unit, then we see the difference. Or what we can do is but the container doesn't have enough space, we put too much water in there.
Okay, now.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, seal it and send this to TEPCO.
Okay.
They have to measure the contamination. Yeah. Yeah, seal it. Keep it. Don't touch it so much. Oh. That's good, thank you. Is the reading ready yet? No?
Yes, it's still on reading, but it's almost 200 something. So it's a half.
Yeah, because you have half of the water.
Ah, that's true.
So we gotta see what comes up. I don't think it's made much difference. How much is it? 200 and what there on the other side? Yeah. What?
228. 228.
228.
Yes.
Okay, 228. No, but there is a. We're gonna measure what's in the other container now, and add the two together. And then we mix the two together and we take a last measurement. That's it. Then we know if the system works on it or not. What is it?
It's the result of the cylinders.
Yeah.
Method. Yes, it shows the 225.
Yeah. Now measure the one in the container next to you, please. Now.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This one is from the this one is half of the.
Yeah.
Which number was it? It's.
Do you have another container to measure that?
Okay.
The guy has this. We're gonna measure this now.
Sorry, he's on the phone, so.
Cesium doesn't do it.
So now.
Yes, please.
I can see some.
Can you speak louder?
See some soil underneath. Should I better to take the only water as much as possible, or can I just put everything in it?
What do you mean there is a foil?
There is some soil.
Soil,
Sorry.
everything. You want everything. But don't mix too much water in there because we want to add this to the other unit which you just tested. Take everything, please, as fast as possible. Yeah. You take everything. Yeah. Every last drop. We haven't done anything. It's just going to give us the average because nothing came out of this. With the other one, the material's gone through the nanolayers. So. You can't do it. It's mixed inside. It's all mud.
With dynamic reactor.
You observe it a different way. You extract it. can you please get the other container which he just measured, please? No, the other, the one you just measured, the one which was in the machine just now. You took the measurement for. Pardon?
You mean the result?
No, not the results. The bottle of the material, the liquid which was in the machine. Yeah, the one. He's bringing it back. He's bringing it back.
Okay.
Is there enough room to add the other one to this one?
Which is mean other one?
The one which
Enough
is in the machine.
You mean you would like to mix
Yeah, put it together after the measurement.
after the measurement? Okay, I think so. Yeah. Just maybe it's going to be filled up to whole containers, but I think it's not. Yeah.
Can you show us what's on that label? What does it say?
I mean after process. You mean after the cylinder? Yes. Because he's getting confused. Like, yeah. ありがとうございます。それが200. This is a 200 becquerel. 200 number 6. そうですね。はい。225 becquerel one.
Yeah, send us this result. I want to see, look at some figures, because the cesium contamination on 137, 135, they all change. When you send us the PDF file, we look at it.
Okay. So now I can send you the PDF. これの PDF と
そうですね。
はい、これ。どうぞ、お食事。
で
もすいません。あ、ありがとうございます。
winter is warmer, it's with summer, the gas boiler goes out and just cools. It's nice and chill. Last summer we had
They should add some noise suppression.
all these nuts and bolts here, they rattle. I make noise when I walk. I'm too old, all my bones goes creak crack. What's this way from me? Bolts and nuts. Yeah, this drink.
It's 11 o'clock in the afternoon. So he has to eat. Yeah, he will. Because they
It's 3 o'clock.
they started at
You've been on the lake fishing for his sushi.
they started radioactive sushi.
It's cooked. It's got energy. What do you do when you cook? You put energy.
No, the thermostat.
No, I've done the thermostat.
Wait there.
Anything above 180, 185 is suspected. Are we still live?
It should be.
How many people?
40.
Two people went to sleep.
Have you heard about Turkish Erdogan has closed YouTube? For,
45.
there was a conversation in YouTube about his planning to make a false flag attempt in Turkey
What?
for making war to Libya, and they put the video in YouTube. So Erdogan closed YouTube.
Who's closing YouTube? Turkey.
Yes, Turkey.
What happened exactly? I don't understand.
Erdogan
Has planning to make a false flag attempt in Turkey to start a war with Libya.
When?
Maybe this week.
She's the
So
sexy
there was a conversation in YouTube in some intelligent with
all the reason is
minister, and
she
they
took
put
over the
the
reason.
conversation about this topic. So you have to block completely all the
But outside we can hear it. Inside the car.
they are trying to negotiate with YouTube to delete the video. That's the reason they cut all YouTube access in our country.
And
In
Twitter
Spanish newspaper.
Twitter has been cut also. Twitter.
The Twitter,
Has been
maybe
cut also.
2 weeks ago, or in the Spanish newspapers, is the news.
Yes, because I heard it yesterday or the day before.
But only about they cut YouTube. They don't explain the reason.
Takesha.
Yes, we're listening.
Yes, I finished. This is the result from the this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's incredible. It's 84.49 in total. Before it was 414.
Okay, what to do now is mix the two containers and do a reading.
Okay. For this and this. This is with GANS.
Can you mix the two together?
Yeah, mix it. This one into this. Yeah.
No.
This is with tomato.
It's not. That's why it sits in the text measure.
I think it doesn't go everything in here. So I mix.
Be careful, you're leaking, girl.
Yeah, sorry.
It goes. Okay. Now do the full measurement. Hole in the middle. Now give us a measurement, please.
So please wait another 15 minutes.
Yeah, no problem. Yukoko,
Yeah.
what we want to know is, that container which you just emptied? Wash it thoroughly and put water in it and just measure the contamination of the water from the tap. Because you've been adding water into the system. I want to know if the water is contaminated. Wash the container thoroughly, totally, yeah?
Okay. So without any liquid, washing liquid.
No,
yeah?
just wash everything out of it and then just let's measure the water. Yes, please.
So I wash.
Yes, what to do is we want to measure the radiation in the water.
You mean tap water?
Yeah.
Is it okay? Yeah, okay. So 100. Now I add 1 liter of tap water into
No
the
problem.
container. Wash.
Yeah, let that come out. We just want to know the radiation level in the tap water.
Okay.
Bomb.
attack Syria. And the persons involved are Hakan Fidan, boss of intelligence. Hakan Fidan, in charge of Turkish intelligence, and his right hand, Tayyip Erdogan, during a meeting on 13th of March. Two recordings of this meeting, secret, with Fidan and External Minister Ahmed Davutoglu, and second chief the word is in Spanish.
Mr. Kesha.
Yes. Yes.
Hello. So I just heard from the Mr. Kobayashi. He said this is the tap water in this factory company. They're using the natural spring, so it's not the public. Public water. Public tap water.
Yeah.
It is only extracted from the natural
What
spring.
is he washing in the background? Can you tell me he's doing something?
He's trying to wash in the containers of the
Where
mud.
from? Where did that container come from?
From the mud one. When we separated the muddy parts and
yeah. Okay. This is not to do with our experiment. Okay, yeah, no problem.
So do you think still we better to keep? This is the second. Mr. Kesha. Hello. So here is the result of the mixture of the previous two containers. This is 130
This is
becquerel.
crazy. It was 414.
Yeah, previously, yes. Then now it's almost.
Can you run a second test, please?
Second test, you mean
Yeah.
that measuring the...
Measure this second time. This is a huge reduction. This is a huge reduction.
The previous one was 414, yes.
Yeah,
414.
so this is a huge change.
Yeah.
This is a major change. You've got to see it. It's there. It's coming back. 5 is 160, is half of that. You Coco.
Yes.
We need to repeat the reading, the last reading, please.
This one.
Do it for a second time.
So just the same amount of the
No,
water?
don't touch it. Just put it back in the system. Measure it again, because
because this is the mixture of the GANS, copper, and
Yes, I know. You Coco. Listen, darling.
Yeah.
Put this system for a second check in the machine. We need a second confirmation. I partially understand what is going on, but we need a confirmation.
Okay, I'm totally...
No, you're doing very well. If this is correct, it in a way, it's what we said. We produce the GANS, and now the GANS partial is becoming matter. And in that process, is changing the radioactive material to non-radioactive material. The process can be explained, but we have to get a confirmation. Recheck the material, please. Okay?
That's incredible. Okay, so I put it back this one.
Please.
Okay.
This explains why maybe we have to process both with the matter and one holds is changed and the other one does transformation.
We are measuring the water, so it takes another. Should I stop the water and should I go skip to this?
No, okay.
Second confirmation.
Let's see the water. It's okay.
Okay.
After that, do the second test. This is a major breakthrough in nuclear. Major breakthrough. It's a radical breakthrough.
Yes, even we see tomorrow with only GANS.
This is a major breakthrough in nuclear technology. Never a reactive material have been activated so fast. This is what I said. Absorption.
since it's more advanced, could be
total major cell reduction. We have to repeat it to be
yes,
correct.
and the repetition, she could eventually mix it again.
No, we have to keep this sample as it is. As Jeff got to come in, we bring. I speak to nuclear side. Don't forget. How many people are watching this?
Up to 50. There is a limit now.
Is it?
It's not verified channel. 49.
This is a huge. If we get a second reading confirmation.
Yeah, but the second reading could be even lower than the first one.
That's what.
It's
even though
That's why I say
if the process is going on,
No,
maybe it's lower.
we ask her to take this for test reading tomorrow. We want time lapse on it. If it is like the process you're doing there, as it took time to produce GANS, now it's taking to change the GANS back to matter.
You see the change
And
in
the
that.
absorption. The same, we don't change it, we don't touch that container anymore. We just let it run. Maybe the process between the wires and the material, what do you call it, says one changes stability and the other one does the destruction or whatever absorption. Maybe the wire is destabilized, that's why it went up. And with adding the liquid into it, we literally, what was unstable, made it totally
then only half of it.
Yeah, we did half with wire and half without.
Actually, the result was it lower only with that part?
We didn't measure with the GANS. We did not measure with the GANS. We should have measured with the GANS, but this result should be no different. That shows if the process goes tomorrow to lower than 165, even if the next result coming up after this test comes about 150, 140, maybe the process is ongoing. Maybe tomorrow we know contamination zero.
Yes, but that's why I think that by mixing it will help to
That's it. Partially, that's why I said the film, this is the ink, unstable it, and the liquid solidifies it to a non-radioactive material. You have to see what happens with the water. If that copper oxide tomorrow with the water becomes zero radiation that you can drink it, TEPCO is out of shit potato. They don't need to build one that building a 400,000 liter tanks every day. They literally are building one a day.
Yeah, but
Present these tanks are leaking, or start leaking,
Some of them start leaking.
and it's on the hill, so it goes to the ocean.
But see, the result is very drastic. What we do, we send the information directly to TEPCO, whatever we look at. I send that into the British nuclear fuel boards and one into the Italians. And I'm very, very interested. It's probably to see. But we gotta see the time duration does exactly the reverse of what we took. It took us 3 days to produce, 4 days to produce the nanomaterial. And now, if it's the nanomaterial, I'm sure potassium salt has something to do with it.
The potassium in that sample.
What is the decay of potassium? Potassium 4 is a radioactive material. What does it need to become stable?
partial results.
So it would
You
become
pay
very stable
in one
for a short period.
Yeah, it
What
happens.
do you
Short
want?
stability
The total.
it happens quite a lot. That happens in your body and mind.
no, no.
What?
Yet because of the condition that
In one, no.
Stable, no.
GANS,
Let's see what comes up. This is something we can understand. We are not talking about 5%, 10% reduction. We cannot talk about some drops that you can. You're talking. What is the percentage drop change? Can you calculate on your machine? 165.
Now with the final results,
No, no. Has it stopped? Are we there?
What?
Are we live?
No, no, it's close the micro.
Huh?
What do you want to calculate?
Can you calculate 414 by 165? Or 168, whatever it is. What percentage is it? Because this will change a lot of things by Monday, Tuesday in the nuclear industry.
So what do you want?
The second test is got from 414 to 165.
Calculator. Calculate what?
414.
With 414, no, you go 165 by 414. Or 168 divided by 414.
414.
60%, 0.4.
04.
60%, that's huge. If you process repeat it again for a second time. If you repeat the process or we increase the amount of CO,
Hello, Mr. Kesha.
yeah. What's the result?
Wait.
I could get the result of the
Is this
water.
yeah?
Yeah, it's
Very little.
got little, yes, very little, but 1.81.
Okay, you Coco, what we want you
Yes.
to do is to measure that container again today,
Yeah,
and you measure the container every 2 hours for
every
2
2 hours.
days.
Okay.
Every 2
Okay.
hours for 2 days. We want
Mhm.
to see if this is a process decay.
Uh-huh.
Are you going back to this place again tomorrow?
No, tomorrow I have to move to the another experiment
Where is
partner.
it? How far are you?
It's in Fukushima City, which is almost 1 hour distance from here. But
Okay.
I can coming back on 31st.
Okay, what I want you to do, you get them to seal the sample of the soil which you had. The guy washed away. You seal it, you sign it.
Yeah.
Then you seal and you sign the bottle which they are testing today. And you get it to be tested every 2 hours. It's very important that we understand the cycle of decay.
Okay.
So the box which with the soil left over is there, you keep
Okay.
and seal it. Don't let it open. Just put a tape on it, sign it. And the bottle which the guy is testing, you ask them to test it every 2 hours. We want to know this is one process or is a continuous reduction. You got 60% reduction in the first time,
Yeah.
which is too much. So it's a huge reduction. This means you can clean up Fukushima by the day you come back.
That's wonderful news.
No problem. But we need a second reading to make sure our reading is correct.
Okay, it's coming.
I suspect if we go down to, let's say, 150, 158, this is a continuous reduction. We can explain it, what is going on. But you need to make sure these guys test it and you go back again on Monday.
Okay.
We need that a continuous reduction. If it becomes stable, is a different matter. If we still start seeing reduction by Monday, Tuesday, whatever, then what you got to do, I explained to you what you do. You go with the test result directly to TEPCO. I give you the name of the doctor who's in charge in TEPCO.
Thank Thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah, and then you give the data to TEPCO, and then we'll see what we do. We need a copy of the sample of the materials. You put it somewhere safe in Tokyo or wherever is safe without contamination. You bring a copy you send a copy to me immediately by Monday, and we speak with the authorities in 2 countries and see where we go from here.
Okay.
But now it depends if it's real or not. We gotta make sure we can't go out half cooked.
That's true. Okay.
Okay,
So
no
the
problem.
second confirmation is coming in 10
Yeah.
minutes. So
If it is below, was it 168? What was the reading?
no, it was the 130. Ah, yeah, 130.
130
the
or
first one.
160?
130.
100. No, this is no. I think it's 130.
130. It's worse than we thought. Okay. Or is it better
This
than
one.
we thought?
Yeah. Okay. Better than that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we
Okay.
gotta see the next reading is below 130.
Okay.
Okay? And you ask the guy, you seal the container, and you sign with him. Yeah?
Okay. Then measuring every 2 hours.
Yeah, every 2 hours, as long as they are there, and then again on Monday you measure. We want to see if the drop is more. It's 130,
Okay.
65%.
70%.
Thank you.
So
I get back to you with the second confirmation.
okay, no problem.
It's 68%.
Now we see if it's a process. I think we are correct in allowing it to go, and we see it. We announce the process directly in as a result tomorrow morning. There is no contamination in the water. It's hardly natural radiation.
You should see also from the sun already the total
They will give it to us. They will give it to us. They will give it to us.
whether they
No, well now
they can filter the total.
we have the data and we have the material near enough here. I have material with the same kind of contamination here.
And it won't be stripped off uranium and
It's lower now.
If it is now, I don't think there's it's never. We got to see.
It's very happy.
In one sweep, you sort out the whole radiation process. Huh?
We will see.
But
Let's check
if
it.
does, yeah. There's no use getting excited. Monday result will tell us tomorrow if the copper nanocopper oxide is correct tomorrow. We should see the water literally to be able to drink it. Zero radiation. Here. And then
She's laughing.
Yukako.
She's
She can't.
gone.
Yeah.
she's on the back of the screen.
Yeah. Armin, look, yeah. She's there.
Should we ask for the plutonium reading?
Just because the material is not
Okay. If she can take it.
there are 3 samples there. We asked her to take the 3 samples with her.
If she's alive.
But we have worse things.
Worse than this.
Where's it?
You don't know what I have in mind.
But only on small places.
200 tons. That's enough.
But in fact, yeah, in the water when it all has been mixed, the copper goes on the bottom because it's very heavy. So it could even be separated more or less.
Yeah, that's what I said. Tomorrow we have to do that. We take the sediments.
From nothing.
He came in with a sack of rice.
It was the
They keep on bringing in contaminated rice. There was on this. Listen to everything happens right. When Nikoko moved out of that cupboard, there were sacks of contaminated rice. They are examining if they harvest. This is a government establishment. This is not a law. They want to allow the farmers to let the material to be sold.
this is something.
This is government controlling how they can now. We are not dealing with a farm organization.
Tomorrow whole Japan gonna talk.
Hmm?
Tomorrow whole Japan gonna
Nobody.
Not yet.
Nobody.
We have to be sure we go out wrong with our face. We do it the right way. We negotiate with agricultural authorities. We make it full frequency. We submit it as a professional paper, not just we have results running. We write a paper, we write it in proper paper. We submit it as a with a video. Never been done. They can see it live, so everybody knows it's not something new. We analyze the data, we work on it on the whole Monday, Tuesday. Fukushima has been there 3 years, nobody's done it.
68.
But we have to be sure.
Yes.
We have to be sure. I speak to the people here to read the data. I speak to regional viewpoints to read the data. We mostly go to the American governments, the percentage to read the data. I speak to Tehran. I have access to my president. The Iranian ambassador is Moscow. He is top specialist in nanotechnology. That's his expertise.
By the way, the guy we interviewed yesterday, he's been studying the nanomaterials.
Everybody just studies what they're interested in. But we have to see that it was worth working 3-4 days, and this is the one you lot marched out like a broken soldiers. Where I never forget that. I still see John Wayne. And I can see the guy standing there with the fingers crossed. This is science. This is the
You're giving energy.
But that's what it is. You don't know. Maybe some of his energy because it's there. No, but it shows you never. Even when you start running your reactors, you have more fun. It's there. You see.
Yes, and the result is not instantly the fantastic. comes
The
off.
first tray was 245. Second tray comes in now. She's having fun there. Come on, girl. Get on with work. She's standing at the gate. I think she's with her brother or somebody, must be. He's doing things, or maybe she's on. But she has a laugh with anybody, doesn't matter. That's with Coco. He could be even a cat. When I interviewed her the first time, it was such a pleasure. Because I never knew her. When I interviewed her this time, it was such a pleasure. I said to Karen, I'm gonna have her. She came to see me. But she came to Croatia. Now you know why each one of you have common different. But next time, please don't pray for the machines that think John, the reactors can fly. I think they're chatting too much, they forgot the machine is working. No, because she just came up with the result, they need 15 minutes. There's a possibility, there's a very high possibility. But no, because it's three-dimensional breather, this machine.
But do you think that if there is plutonium, was the same plutonium?
That's my biggest fear. It's poison, not just but I spoke with my lawyer, and the minute, you know, when you say to a woman, do you love me? If she really loves you, she says yes. If she has to think, it means there's something deeper in it. You understand? So when you speak to my ear, tell them this is what I suspect. Don't forget about the institute of evaluation. The physicist. So the data, they know my position when I come. And I told them the suspect to me. And it was silent. No, it takes 15 minutes.
Or when it's up.
Already 6 o'clock. Are we going for breakfast at the beach? We can't. Going to bed.
Okay, so
No, you said for nearly an hour. That's enough. Yeah, you were going. People says, what's going on? You have to say, Coco is just. It's not there. We need her to seal the sample. We always seal the sample. Whenever you do tests, you seal the samples.
In fact, we make 3 different seals for each sample. Then we send to the lab. 6 seals for each
Yeah,
sample.
well, we gotta see what the result comes. We could any further than that.
My wife also does analysis.
Yeah. When we make official analysis and official samples, maybe there's
there all the time. Now we see the second guy coming with the second prize.
This is live stream, correct?
No,
How many?
this
49 from that one last time. Yeah. Maximum.
It's a limited.
Is it on YouTube too? There we are.
After we finish, we can upload.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah, the whole lot. We don't cut.
no, we just cut this part.
No, we don't cut nothing. Right? Oh, they did this. They did that. They had time to do this. Is there? They want you to count the seconds. I've seen the people. You always remember what happened to Cash Foundation in the time. The guy goes and he puts this is all fraud. If it was real, how come there is such a Cash Foundation? Because one of the guys in the Cash Foundation, they took a Google map of the place and to be very positive. She's not running, it's not good news. Yes, Coco.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi. So, but something expected. I mean, it's almost the same, but it's slightly up 141 this time. It was 130.
This is
past.
what that's why I asked for 2 hours repeat.
Okay.
This is, we thought it goes up or down. So, if do you have enough time to stay there for 2 hours?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Now it's the time of 2 o'clock. So
It's
2
what
o'clock
time?
in Japanese time. 2 o'clock.
2
2
o'clock.
p.m.
2
Yeah,
p.m. What
so
to
we
do?
will-
Seal the container, and next time stir it and put it in, and call me. I'll call you back.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's what I want to know. If it goes positive or negative, or it goes stable. And if you can scan and send me all the results today, and
Yeah,
we do
I
it
will.
tomorrow again.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you very much, Coco.
Yeah, I'll call you in 2 hours later then.
Call me in
Thank
2
you very
hours,
much.
yeah? On my Italian number. Bye, darling. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, Yukaku.
Bye-bye.